You bring it.
Here. You want Daddy to throw it for you again? Huh? Here. Here, give it to me and I'll throw it. Daddy will throw it. Here. Okay. Here, Daddy. Daddy will throw it. Go get it!
Good girl, babe. Bring it here. Bring it. Xero. Xero.
Xero!
Come here. Xero.
He won't give it to you anyway. He never lets it go until it's time to get out. Thanks, guys. Want me to... Oh, see, look. He likes to do that. He'll get her ball and do that. Where is it? Where'd it go? There it is. Over there. It's over here, babe. Float it over there. Look. This way. He's in the way. Right there. Xero got it. Right over here. Under the water. Xero has it. Get it. It's on the bottom. Babe. Right there. Babe. Look. Over there. Back over this way. Hurry. Come here. Hurry up before Xero gets it. Right there. Get it.
Right here, babe.
Babe. Over here.
Over here.
And if he goes by it, she won't get it. Right there. Get your ball.
Right there. Get it. In front of you.
Babe, right over this way. Xero got it. Xero put it right there. Look.
There you go.
Well, I guess they can't see as good if they're in black and white, so. He loves to do that to her, though. See what he does? He just keeps doing that. It's kind of good for him because that way at least they're together playing. She'll play a little bit this way with him. She loves going under the water though.
I bet she's breathing when she does it.
I don't know.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, babe. Yeah. Good girl.
I know.
Well, I only got to drop it to shake or she just gets so much water.
I think she just drops it to shake it. To shake.
Get it.
Hey, Xero. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come here. Give me that. Give me that ball. Come on. Give that back here. I'm gonna get you. You better go. You better run. You better get going. Hurry up. I'll get you. I was out here for an hour with him, I think it was last night. No, the night before. Yeah, last night. She can't see it yet.
There you go. Maybe you're just too excited on finding it. Uh-oh. Right by you. It's underneath you. It's underneath you. There it is. Look, right there.
Beside you, babe. Behind you. Babe, over here. Right behind you. Yeah.
I think she goes down and gets a mouthful of water and comes up.
Maybe.
Probably holding her breath a little bit. I'm not sure how long she can hold it.
Well, she held it a lot last year when she was swimming, when it was deep and clean and new. Goody. See, but I can't let them do all that because if they get a new liner, when I get the new liner, I don't want them putting holes in it. Well, I'll let them do it now because they have so much fun like this. No, they won't be able to do it. It'll be a rude awakening for Xero. You should have saw her, though, the first time she came in. She had her paws like she was trying to swim. You curling them all up and like swimming. Yeah, because she's used to it being over her head.